In this question, you have to identify the mechanism that causes a gene to move from one linkage group to another. Option A, translocation. Now, translocation is the process where a segment of chromosome moves to a different chromosome. So this can result in a gene shifting from one linkage group to another. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, crossing over. It is incorrect because it involves the exchange of genetic material between homologous chromosomes during meiosis, which creates genetic recombination, but it does not involve a gene moving to a different linkage group. Option C, inversion. It is also incorrect because it refers to a chromosomal mutation where a segment of chromosome is reversed in orientation, but it does not cause a gene to move to another linkage group. Option D, duplication. It is also incorrect because it results in the repetition of a segment of a chromosome. So it does not lead to the movement of a gene between linkage groups.